Good morning, Aztecs. You're watching the morning announcements with Samantha Rico
and Trey Jones.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may now be seated.
Seniors, have you received a scholarship and award? Even if you don't plan to attend that school, bring your award letter to guidance. We want to honor your efforts at the annual Aztec Awards ceremony. So be sure to let us know when you receive your scholarship or award by stopping into the guidance office with your letter.
Beginning Tuesday, April 26th, prom tickets will be sold only at single tickets, $60 each. Tickets will not be sold at the door per hour for our administration. You must buy your tickets in the bookstore by Friday, April 29th to attend. Buy your tickets now and come enjoy the Secret Garden.
Seniors, are you planning on attending Estrella Mountain Community College? Join us for a registration workshop during your lunch on Monday, April 25th in the lecture hall.
Any boys planning on participating in summer basketball leagues? There will be a mandatory meeting today after school in the lecture hall at 3:15. If you have any questions, please see Coach Murphy in room 216.
Congratulations to the following future business leaders of America FBLA Club, members who qualified for nationals. Maria Mendez, Monica Marquez, Brianna Inda, Maritza Carrillo, Viviana Hernandez.
Registration for the Summer Academy 2016 is now open. Information regarding summer programs can be found at TUHSD.org by clicking on the Programs tab. Summer Academy will take place at Sierra Linda High School. To enroll, please follow the registration and payment instructions found on the website. You can schedule an appointment with your guidance counselor to ensure that you are signing up for the correct class. And remember, space is limited and enrollment forms will be accepted on a first come, first served basis. Have a great day, Aztecs.
I was running through the 6 when I woke.